I think an important way that immigration policy can make the U.S. economy more competitive going forward is to allow in more high-skilled immigrants. Under current policy, about 85% of permanent resident visas go to family-based and humanitarian-based immigration, which means that only about 15% are employment-based, which tend to be high-skilled immigrants, and in fact, of those, only half are principal workers, we call it. The rest are dependents, so spouses and children. Western Europe is competing more aggressively with us for high-skilled workers from the rest of the world, and even Canada and Australia actually are competing more aggressively with us than they did in the past. And also you have a lot of growth in the developing world, in Asia and China, for example, and with their growth and their increasing wealth, they're actually able to either bring back their skilled students that go study abroad. They're able to bring them back, or they're able to keep them from leaving, which 10 years ago wouldn't have been the case. For this conference, we're bringing in experts from all around the world, many of them from Western Europe. We have some people coming from Australia as well, and Canada. So these experts are going to tell us exactly what is happening on the immigration policy, in immigration policy in these countries. Our competitors, basically, and they'll be telling us sort of what are the policy goals and are they achieving their goals in these countries. And I think in a lot of ways, what we've seen maybe over the last 10 to 20 years is that other countries like us, our immigration policies are becoming a little bit more similar. Whereas there really wasn't an attempt in Europe, say 10, 15 years ago, to go after high-skilled immigrant workers, they now are. So it's going to be very interesting to hear evidence, from experts in these countries and sort of compare and contrast their experiences.